right, now we're official. It's recording. So from now on, everything's going official onto the video. All right, fellas. So we got... I'm going to pull it out of this fucking big-ass straw beach hat. Is that cool? I'd like to have someone else here, but none of us can really get together, so we got to do it this way this year. All right, so I'm going to go through all the names here and fold them and then toss them in, then I'll mix them up. So we got, can you see those? There's Howard. No, I'm not pulling them yet. I'm just putting them in and folding them. So I'm just making sure we got everybody. CT. I have not talked to Thomas in a while. Angelo. Yeah. Nothing's getting pulled yet. Yeah. Well, I've been doing that for all of them. I'm just showing it so we know we got everybody's names. Bordus. Druken, Brad. Zwick. Malik. Kabilis. Keys. And then the last one is going to be myself. All right. So they're all 12 inside the hat here. I'll start stirring them up. You guys tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop stirring.
Stop.
All right. Look at this big old bowl. All right, here. So we're going official here. First pick of the 2019-20 season. Howard.
Oh, buddy, it was the first name you showed.
Was it?
I think it was Angelo. Whoa.
Second pick. Klein, myself.
Kleiner. A little sketchy. I don't know about that.
Hey, you see exactly what I'm doing here. Third pick.
Where's Jay? Can't Jay oversee your...
He's laying in bed. Spalding.
See its back half.
Yeah.
So, I'm hoping for that 12 spot.
Drukenbrod.
Keys, how many mock drafts have you done so far? Like 10 a day.
Really?
Are you serious? No. I wouldn't doubt it.
Malik.
Keep pushing it down.
So what is that so
Alex,
far?
5?
That's 5 so far, yeah.
I feel Zwick's name coming on here. Don't Zwick.
Yeah, you're right, Zwick.
Yeah.
that's 6.
I'm the master. Florida.
Oh, you got yourself, Keys.
Shit.
That's number 7.
Hey, that's his number.
Oh yeah, could be good luck.
That kind of guarantees me Hopkins, though.
CT. All right.
Hopkins or Devontae Adams. Done.
It's Eric. That leaves me, you, and CT.
Fortis.
And that guy.
You sons of guns.
Hoffman. So was there 2 left? The final 2 are you 2?
Yeah. Lucky sons of guns.
Happens every year.
Best pick there.
Cabillas.
Oh.
So it looks like the last pick's going to be Matt.
Where's that
So
number
good.
1 pick?
Angelo.
There it is.
That's it. You got the list there, Coobs?
Y'all read that?
No, it's not focusing yet. It's kind of focused. Neither of them are focusing yet.
Eric, it's focused on your finger.
Yeah, it's focused on your finger, but the whole card's blurred
Now
out.
it's
There you go. Start. There you go. Keys, I can see yours a little bit.
Yeah.
So we ended up with Howard, Klein, Spalding, Druk, Malik, Zwick, Keys, CT, Fortis, Hoffman, Coobs, and Angelo.
Yep. Alright, dudes.
So yeah, we'll try to set a draft date, probably like the Monday, Tuesday before the first game.
Labor Day weekend, whether it's Sunday or Monday. Preferably Monday or later.
As soon as all the preseason games are done, because we got screwed a couple times from that.
What's the date on that? That's because now Zeke is apparently talking about holding out until he gets his deal. So that could play off and however long.
Hey, man, David Johnson.
Yeah, I got screwed on Le'Veon last year. I
Yeah.
drafted him, and then the next day he decided to sit out.
Melvin Gordon. He's doing the same thing.
Yep. So we'll try to do it Monday or Tuesday before the first game, which is usually a Thursday night.
Sounds good, man. Thursday night game is the Bears and Packers and Chicago. Bears, Pack, and Chicago. Yep. All right.
And then we're going to Miami for the Browns Super Bowl.
Yeah. That'd be so fucking good.
Hopefully this year or next year, either Miami or Tampa.
This year's Miami?
Yeah, next year is Tampa. So if the Browns can make it to either one of those, we're going to tailgate.
Browns need to do something, man. We gotta do it this year. It's our time to shine.
Yep. All right, I'm gonna end this recording right now. So say bye to the video of the recording.